Hi guys, it's Craig from Mobile Tech Talk, and we are looking at the rebirth of the Nokia 2720 flip phone. As it says on the little card down there, the classic flip phone is back, and this time it has 4G. So let's just flip this open and let you see. It's at the Google page, and that's for good reason, because this comes with Google Assistant built in, which is brilliant. It's got, as I said, 4G LTE. It can operate as a Wi-Fi hotspot. It has half a gig of RAM, which isn't an awful lot, but don't forget this is a smart feature phone. It has a 1.3-inch external display so that you can pick up all those ambient notifications, and a 2.8-inch QVGA internal screen. It has WhatsApp and Facebook built in as well, so you've actually got some, as I say, smart features here. And okay, the camera's not going to be great on this sort of device, and you know, it's made out of plastic. It's cheap as chips. I believe it is €79. I'll have to check again, another annotation in the video. But the fact that this sort of device has the ability of delivering 4G LTE for people, also some applications that people will actually use, such as WhatsApp and Facebook and Google Assistant, which I can just get moving here. What's the weather like in Berlin? Okay, you don't get it spoken back to you, but you take into a page where you can get the weather in Berlin, and there's a nice little mouse that you can kind of move around. Very old school, very nostalgia filled, but the ability to kind of interact with some more modern assistant services like Google Assistant, as well as the applications, make this probably a very interesting device for a secondary device, or somebody who is out and about and very, very active and doesn't really want to take a £7,000, £8,000, £9,000 flagship device around with them. So this has just been a quick, dirty look at the Nokia 2720 Flip that we will definitely be getting, even if we have to purchase one. Comes in black and this white colour. Don't be one of those people and have black. Have something a little bit better like the white colour. So this has just been Craig from Mobile Tech Talk, and we'll see you on the next one.